The steps to manually load a Navigator forklift on a standard Rigout kit is to align the forklift with the mounting points on the back of the truck. You will then tilt your forks all the way forward as you insert them into the standard Rigout kit. You will then push the levers down until you get against the back of the truck. Once you are against the back of the truck, you will apply down pressure and pick the machine off the ground. As you come up, you must reach a height to side shift to be able to align the hooks with the rig and make connection. Once you have connected the rig to the hooks on the forklift, you will then tilt back to rest the forklift on the hooks. Once that is complete, slide the carriage back to at least 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, so the weight of the forklift is not on the forks, but on the wheel bumper pad to alleviate the weight of the forklift on the cylinder. You will then turn the ignition off and push all the levers forward or back if you do not have a relief valve. If you do not need to attempt this step, however it is always best to do this. You will then secure the forklift to the rig by the safety chains and then connect the pigtail from the truck to the forklift. The first step in manually unloading your forklift is to tilt the mast back, which will raise the back of the forklift and separate the wheels from the bumper. Then, push the mast lift handle forward, which will lift the hooks off of the receivers. Once the hooks are clear of the receivers, push your slide carriage handle forward, which will push the forklift back from the truck. Once the forklift is clear, raise your mast to lower the forklift to the ground, while at the same time tilting your mast forward to level the forklift to the ground. For further information or to receive a written copy of the loading and unloading instructions, contact our office at 228-864-6293 between 6:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m., Monday through Friday.